Hi, friend, can you believe this? You can actually make money online without first learning about internet marketing. Imagine if you didn't need to write or produce any unique content. You didn't need to create any products to sell. You didn't need to write up any sales letters. You didn't need to provide any customer service or follow-up support. You didn't even need to learn about internet marketing. But instead, just focus on one simple task and you can create a passive income on the internet. This is not multi-level marketing. This is not an internet marketing magic button. Finally, this is not affiliate marketing in action. You can start your affiliate marketing business as fast as today with this new turnkey business.